Hello kids, class prep. Today we are going to read page number 5 from Sound Book 2. Take out your Sound Book 2 and open page number 5 with me. This is your page number 5. What pictures do you see on page number 5? There is a box, a tin, pen, hen, hut, a dog, a man is standing, and a cap. Now let's start. This, and that. This and that. This means near and that means far. Here you can see that box is far from the tin. Now let's read the sentences. This is a tin, and that is a box. This is a tin and that is a box. This is a pen, and that is a pin. This is a pen and that is a pin. This is a hen, and that is a dog. This is a hen and that is a dog. This is a hut, and that is a man. This is a hut and that is a man. This is not a hat. This is not a hat. It is a cap. It is a cap. Read the, them, the, that, the, this, the, then, the, thus. Now sound these words with me. The, this, the, that, tin, pin, hat, cap, the, them, the, thus. Now your homework is that you have to do reading of this page 3 times and learn the spellings of these words and do dictation at the back side of your English copies. Kindly parents, take dictation from the children.